Hello fellow nature lovers. Growing older doesn't mean giving up on the thrill of adventure. It simply means choosing trails that are a little gentler on the knees, while still offering breathtaking scenery and unforgettable experiences. From tranquil forest paths to stunning coastal walks, these trails strike the perfect balance between accessibility and awe-inspiring beauty, letting you truly savor the journey rather than focusing on the challenge. So lace up those hiking boots, grab your walking sticks, and let's explore these incredible destinations together. Our journey begins in the spectacular Bryce Canyon National Park in Utah, home to the otherworldly hoodoos, tall, thin spires of rock sculpted by time. The Sunset Point to Sunrise Point Trail is an excellent choice for hikers of all abilities. This paved 1-mile loop is relatively flat, with only a slight incline in some sections, making it perfect for a leisurely stroll with panoramic views. Picture yourself meandering along the rim of the canyon, the golden hues of sunrise or sunset casting dramatic shadows across the rock formations. Along the way, benches invite you to pause and soak in the scenery. Even though this trail is relatively short and easy, it's always wise to wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water, especially in warmer months. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, this trail connects to other paths within the park, offering more opportunities to explore. Next, we head to Great Falls Park in Virginia. The Great Falls Overlook Trail is a favorite for hikers of all ages, thanks to its well-maintained, mostly flat 1.5-mile path. The Great Falls Overlook Trail is a favorite among visitors of all ages, thanks to its accessibility and of course those incredible views. The gentle slopes make it accessible for all mobility levels, ensuring a comfortable experience. Along the way you'll encounter several scenic overlooks providing breathtaking views of the falls. The trail is also a great place to spot wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. Bald eagles soaring overhead, deer grazing peacefully in the woods, and a variety of songbirds flitting through the trees. In spring, the trail bursts with vibrant wildflowers, enhancing the beauty of the surroundings. Now, let's journey to the stunning landscapes of Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado, where alpine lakes and towering peaks create a landscape that feels straight out of a postcard. The Bear Lake Loop is a must-do hike for anyone visiting the park, regardless of age or hiking experience. This easy half-mile loop trail walk around the crystal-clear Bear Lake, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding towering peaks, reflected in its crystal-clear waters. The mostly flat trail with just a few gentle inclines, making it perfect for a leisurely stroll. Along the trail you'll find plenty of benches where you can sit and soak in the scenery. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the local wildlife including deer, elk, or even the occasional curious marmot. The Bear Lake Loop is nothing short of spectacular, a fantastic option for those looking for a short and easy hike that's big on scenery. It's the perfect place to spend an afternoon surrounded by the beauty of the Rocky Mountains. Lower Yosemite Fall Trail. Witnessing majesty in Yosemite National Park. Prepare to be amazed by Yosemite Falls, one of the most iconic waterfalls in the world. The Lower Yosemite Fall Trail offers a 1-mile paved loop leading to the base of the falls, where you can feel the cool mist on your skin and hear the thunderous roar of cascading water. The path is mostly flat, with just a few gentle inclines, making it accessible to people of all mobility levels. The trail is also a great place to spot wildlife. Keep an eye out for deer grazing in the woods, squirrels scampering up trees, and a variety of bird species flitting through the forest. In spring, vibrant wildflowers add an extra splash of color to the landscape. For an unforgettable experience, visit in early summer when the falls are at their peak flow. The Lower Yosemite Fall Trail is a fantastic option for those looking for an easy and accessible hike that's big on impact. It's the perfect way to experience the magic of Yosemite Falls without breaking a sweat. Deep in the heart of Texas Hill Country, the Twin Falls Nature Trail at Pedernales Falls State Park offers a peaceful riverside escape. Let's escape to the heart of Texas Hill Country, where the Pedernales River winds its way through a landscape of rolling hills and lush greenery. The Twin Falls Nature Trail at Pedernales Falls State Park is a hidden gem, perfect for those seeking a peaceful and scenic hike. This 2.5-mile loop meanders along the Pedernales River, offering stunning views of waterfalls, rolling hills, and lush greenery. The relatively flat path makes it ideal for all skill levels, a great option for hikers of all ages and abilities. Benches and picnic spots provide perfect places to pause and enjoy the surroundings. Wildlife is abundant. Keep watch for deer, turtles basking on river rocks, and colorful birds darting through the trees. The Twin Falls Nature Trail is a fantastic option for those looking for a peaceful and scenic hike that's not too strenuous. Torrey Pines Beach Trail Loop, coastal beauty in Southern California. Get ready to breathe in the salty, fresh ocean air. The Torrey Pines Beach Trail Loop in California is a must-do for anyone visiting the San Diego area. This 2.5-mile trail features a mix of breathtaking cliffside views, sandy beach strolls, and the unique beauty of Torrey Pines trees. Though mostly flat, it includes gentle inclines that reward hikers with sweeping vistas of the Pacific Ocean. As you descend towards the beach, you'll be surrounded by the unique beauty of the Torrey Pines trees, their gnarled branches reaching towards the sky. The trail also offers plenty of opportunities for wildlife viewing. Wildlife enthusiasts may spot dolphins playing in the waves, seabirds soaring overhead, and maybe even a glimpse of a migrating whale during the right season. The Torrey Pines Beach Trail Loop is a fantastic option for those looking for a scenic and invigorating hike that combines the beauty of the coast with the tranquility of nature. The views are simply breathtaking. Ohio's Cuyahoga Valley National Park offers a peaceful retreat along the Lakeshore Trail. Let's escape to the heart of Ohio's Cuyahoga Valley National Park, where the Lakeshore Trail offers a peaceful and scenic hike along the shores of Lake Erie. This mostly flat, 3-mile path follows the shores of Lake Erie, offering stunning views of the lake and the surrounding natural beauty. The sound of waves lapping against the shore creates a soothing soundtrack and stunning views of the water. The Lakeshore Trail is a great place to spot wildlife too. Keep an eye out for deer grazing in the meadows, turtles basking on logs, and a variety of bird species flitting through the trees. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a bald eagle soaring overhead. Benches and picnic spots along the trail make this an ideal location for a relaxed, scenic walk. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the lake, the lush greenery of the surrounding forest, and the peacefulness of this hidden gem in the heart of Ohio. Whether you're looking for a leisurely stroll or a longer hike, the Lakeshore Trail is a fantastic option for those seeking a scenic and accessible escape in nature. Jordan Pond Path, a classic Maine adventure in Acadia National Park. Our final stop is the rugged coast of Maine, where the Jordan Pond Path in Acadia National Park offers a quintessential New England hiking experience. This 3.2-mile loop circles the pristine Jordan Pond, with breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains reflected in the still water. The sound of birdsong provides a cheerful soundtrack as you immerse yourself in the beauty of this iconic national park. The Jordan Pond Path is a great place to spot wildlife too. Keep an eye out for deer grazing in the meadows, chipmunks darting through the underbrush, and a variety of bird species flitting through the trees. If you're lucky, you might even spot a beaver hard at work on its dam. Along the trail, you'll find plenty of benches and picnic tables where you can rest and soak in the scenery. A visit isn't complete without stopping by the historic Jordan Pond House for their famous blueberry pie and tea, the perfect way to end your hike. The Jordan Pond Path is a fantastic option for hikers of all ages and abilities, offering a classic Acadia National Park experience that's both scenic and accessible. And there you have it. 8 incredible hiking trails perfect for experiencing the great wonders of nature without overexerting too much stress on those precious joints. Remember, the best adventures aren't about the distance traveled, enjoy the journey, and the memories made along the way. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these trails would you love to explore first? Or do you have a favorite easy hiking trail that others should know about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe for more adventure tips and travel inspiration. Until our next trail meets.